Here's a good news, bad news situation for you. Old Pro 1000 made its way to my desk here for me to fix and repair, but here's the carrier. Now, notice this part here. It's not round anymore. It's been warped. There's the ratchet gear. It's supposed to sit in there, fit in there, and freely turn in there. This one can't even fit back in there. Now that happens when this is over tightened. Now you can see all the grease on this. There was grease on the ram here. The ram's supposed to fit in there, and it's a friction fit. There shouldn't be any oil or anything there, because it's designed so if a case is stuck in a die, the ram pulls free from the carrier and the carrier survives. Now that's been over tightened because the ram probably slipped a few times, and now we have a warped carrier. So that's the bad news. You can actually see the warp very clearly there. That's the bad news. This carrier is kaput. The good news is there's new 2023 Pro 1000s on the way.